Hello everyone. Happy December 11th. Today we celebrate Noodles, Mountain Day, and the joy of comfort and adventure. Let's dive into 3 fun and thoughtful events. These moments are perfect for gifting, even if it's just to brighten someone's day. And if you missed out, don't worry, more exciting celebrations are coming soon. Stay tuned until the end of the video for all the details. It's National Noodle Ring Day, a quirky celebration of pasta creativity. A great gift could be a pasta maker, a noodle recipe book, or a gourmet sauce sampler. What's your noodle favorite? Let's twirl the comments. It's International Mountain Day, honoring the majesty of peaks and trails. A thoughtful gift could be a hiking backpack, a mountain photography book, or a trail map journal. What's your favorite mountain memory? Let's climb into the comments. Before our last event, enjoying these celebrations. Don't forget to like this video. Subscribe to the channel and hit that notification bell so you never miss more amazing content. And hey, share this video with friends, they'll thank you later. Christmas is 14 days away, and the countdown is climbing faster than holiday excitement. It's UNICEF Birthday, celebrating decades of child advocacy and care. A sweet gift could be a donation to UNICEF, a children's book set, or a kindness calendar. How do you support kids? Let's share in the comments. Chapter 5. Don't forget to check out the video description, you'll find links to matching gift products for these events. And be sure to watch our daily videos, including one covering upcoming celebrations for January 11th to 15th. So you'll get gift ideas early. Thanks for watching everyone. More celebrations are coming tomorrow. Stay awesome.